going on, YouTube? What's going on, guys? Welcome to this episode of Angel's Travel and Ravel. This episode is going to be another Blackstone Griddle vlog number 6. Okay, so in this Blackstone Griddle vlog, we're going to be talking about HelloFresh. So HelloFresh is one of those meals where you pay a weekly fee, and I think it's like $79 depending on what kind of food you order, and the food actually gets delivered to your house. It's like 3 meals a week, and it's different from Blue Apron in the sense where Blue Apron is really like two meals that include meat, and then the third meal is usually like a vegetarian dish. With HelloFresh, you get all 3 meals you can have with poultry, beef, anything that you want, right? So I really wanted to see if we can use the Blackstone Griddle to cook everything that comes in a HelloFresh package. So in this week's episode, we're actually going to be cooking melty Monterey Jack burgers. Okay, so that came from HelloFresh, and they give you everything that you need to make the burgers, including the beef itself, which is inside in the refrigerator. But this is all the ingredients, and we're going to take this and we're going to make everything on the Blackstone Griddle. Now, according to this, it comes with zucchini fries, which they want you to bake, but we're actually going to make them on the Blackstone Griddle and see how they come out. So let's do it. First thing we want to do is let's unbox the items and let's see what actually comes in the bag. Add the zucchini to make the fries. And some panko breadcrumbs. An onion. Of course, the buns. Oregano, Monterey Jack, mayonnaise, garlic, more Monterey Jack, and some ketchup. Okay, so these are the instructions for the burgers. So as you can see, if we flip this over, it gives us step-by-step directions, and we're going to follow most of this except for this part. We're not going to be baking the zucchini. We are actually going to make it over on the Blackstone, and same thing with the patties. Okay, so we're now going to get the produce ready. So if you want to sharpen your knife. Zucchini and our onion that we saw earlier in the video. First thing we want to do is cut the zucchini into a fry shape. You can really cut it however way you want. This is how I'm going to do it, so I can get the fries the size that I want them, which is zucchini fries. So we don't need onion ourselves, but not going to use too much of the onion. I also decided to kick things up a notch. So what goes good on Monterey Jack burgers? You guessed it. Avocado. Nothing goes better on a burger than avocado, and today we're going to be adding avocado to this recipe. So one of the next things we got to do is the meat that HelloFresh sent us. We got to form into 2 patties. So that's going to go next. We'll put it right on here with the rest of the ingredients and take it outside to the Blackstone. All right, so we just shaped the patties, and take a look at this. We got our avocado, we got our burgers, we got our onions, and we got our zucchini fries. Okay, now that we've prepped our food, we can take everything that HelloFresh sent us and we can put it right on the Blackstone Griddle. Forget about the pots, forget about the pans, forget about the baking. It's all going on the Blackstone. Let's see how it works out.